sister. Let me go over our wig care kit. This is amazing. So especially if you're new to this, it's going to have all the products that you need as a first time wig wearer, girls, okay? So let me go over this. If you're watching live, you're just gonna buy Space Care to purchase. I'm gonna tell you what all it comes with. Thank you. Let's see. Buy Space Care. So you're gonna get your wig comb, okay? This is actually ergonomically designed to be able to comb through your wigs and not put a lot of pressure on them. Really, really safe for wigs. You really don't want to use a closed bristle like regular hairbrush or a comb. This is going to actually be manufactured so that the hair follicles slide right through and it doesn't create any kind of tension on your wig. So it comes with your comb. It comes with a wig band, which is 100% a necessity when it comes to wearing your wig. You have to have a wig band. We have lots of tutorials on how to put this on, how to choose one, how to use it. Okay, it comes with shampoo and conditioner. Again, we've got lots of tutorials on how to wash your wig. We recommend washing your wig every 8-hour wears. There is instructions on the back, as well as, like I said, if you go to our tutorial section, you can watch some live wig washing demonstrations. Biggest question I get about wig washing is it gonna mess up the curl? It does not. It does not mess up the curl. It actually will help make your wig look better. If your wig's starting to look a little raggedy, you just wanna give it a bath and it will spring back to life. It also is going to come with our wig wax. This is our #1 styling product for wigs. We've had different ones in the past, but this is in the kit because it lifts, it holds, it adds volume, it shapes your wig, and it also works as a hairspray. So like this piece of hair right here that's not wanting to stay out of my face, go watch the wig wax tutorial on why this is amazing. You can see how to take care of that. And it also comes with our wig restore. We have a couple of tutorials on our website for this as well. Restore does two things. It's used as a preventative tool. So you can spritz this on your longer styles to actually help to decrease the amount of friction that your wig experiences. Your wig, guys, is like clothing. So instead of like human hair, it's actually more like a clothing fiber where if you rub it on it, like if you got thick thighs or thick arms like I do and you rub over and over, you get pilling. Same thing, your wig will start to get dry the more it's kind of like, just like the more, I guess, stress, the more you move it. And I don't know why the word's not working. It's not abrasive anyway. You get what I'm saying. So that's #1 with this. The second way that this actually helps is we have a tutorial where if your wig does start to get the dry ends because of wear and tear on your wig, you can actually use this, spritz on your wig, and use a heating tool to smooth that back out. So we got tutorials that does that as well, and I'll link all those things if you guys are watching this on tutorial. So super, super amazing. It's gonna have everything that you guys need by Space Care. Buy Space Care, and you're gonna get all the products that you need with your first time wig purchase. And